Hi folks, Mick here, Kentish Man Collects. Got a bit of an unboxing for you. Just literally got in from work. I suspect I know what these two things are. There's probably no interest in the second item, but I'll spin you around, we'll have a look. We'll see what this item is. Get some light on the subject. So I'm already half into it because I didn't want you to see my address. I want all my adoring fans sitting on the doorstep when I come home every day. This ain't gonna work, is it? This ain't gonna work. Sellotape. Sellotape to death. Well, 10 out of 10 for the packaging. Yeah. I suspect this is 4 or 5 Visionaries. Purchased from a group on Facebook even. Might be completely wrong. Oh no. Yeah, so these cost me £10.20. It's 4 or 5. Marked up as spares or repair. I think there's a couple of holograms missing, possibly. One looks like it's missing an arm, which wasn't disclosed. Let's get into this bag. There. Oh. Right, so we got Visionary sword. So yeah, and chewed off, but I figured, you know what, file that down maybe. Shield. Again, this is a toy line that I never had as a child. So I'm shooting in the dark here. I'm shooting in the dark. The only reason I bought these is I recently picked up a job lot from an old work colleague, and I may have done a video, may not have done a video, but in there basically was a Visionary. So when these came up, I thought, you know what, let's try go for the set. Why not? So spares or repair, like I said. He's got hologram as well. He's the one missing the hologram. Yeah, again, I mean, it was never a toy line I was interested in. To be fair, I don't even know when the toy line was about. Tonka. Yeah, I can't even get a date off there. I'm going to say it was mid to late 80s. There's that dude's arm. And there's a, yeah, I don't know. Like I say, I don't know. I haven't got a clue. I haven't got a clue what these things are. But I know they had holograms. The one upstairs has a hologram. I'm assuming the arms come off and you can put these little capes on. But hey, anyway, so that's the first one. This second one, again, probably won't interest anybody. But this was a marketplace pickup. And do you know what? Yeah, this was a marketplace pickup as well. This is actually third time lucky. Been having some horrendous trouble with Marketplace. Vinted. Yeah, been having some horrendous trouble with Vinted. Man, getting scammed. So I've been scammed 3 times now. And I mean, when you look at it, in hindsight, you're like, oh yeah, of course it was. No reviews, numbers and letters for names. Yeah, crazy. Anyway, you live and learn, right? Or not. But yeah, you know, that's why you buy a bike. That's why you pay your buyer protection, so you get your money back in the event of. The only thing that is gripping me at the minute is the fact that as soon as I realise I've been scammed, I'm going back into the profile to find that they've been blocked, member blocked, blocked by Vinted, but yet I still have to wait the 25 working days for a parcel that's never going to arrive. So I'm onto Vinted. You've blocked this member, so I can't go through the usual route of, I think I've been scammed, I'd like, and now you're telling me I've got to wait 25 days for an item that you clearly realise is never going to come. And anyway, so yeah, Arsenal shirt. So, story goes. So I bought an Arsenal shirt. That's nice, isn't it? Thanks. Yeah, so I bought an Arsenal shirt. Paid £6, paid £8.39, I think it was, all in, from Vinted. It was my size, or it was the same size as the Nike version of this top that I've got. This one was an Adidas. So I paid £8.39. Came in the post literally 4 days later. It's like in post. So I went and picked it up. Tried it on. Yeah, clearly Adidas come up way smaller than Nike. Anyway, not to worry. Wasn't really any point in sending it back. I've got a relation who's an Arsenal fan, so he can have it if he wants it. Or I can just wait till I shed a few pounds. So by this point, I'd ordered another one, extra large. This came in this was a more up-to-date home fan top, £18.40, I think it was, extra large. Yeah, that came. Couple of days again, in post, no problem. Took it out the bag, and literally all the stitching across there had gone. Now this was advertised as very good condition, no pictures of any stitching, loose, no hint of any fault. I mean, don't get me wrong, the rest of the top was in perfect condition. Just the fact that the collar had detached itself from the body. So yeah, up in the dispute straight away, messaged the guy, got nothing, up in the dispute, got a message that evening, full refund, don't bother sending the top back, apologies, you know, I sell lots of stuff, usual malarkey. Clearly didn't check it over, or was just trying to pull a fast one, or who knows. Anyway, you got to trust some people, right? So anyway, from my full refund, went online again, saw these tops. Now this is the most, I think this is this the 2023 to 2024? yeah, anyway, saw this in large, messaged the guy, what size is it across the chest, across the arms, etc. He messaged me back, bearing in mind this was at 10:30 at night, didn't even realise. He messaged me back, yeah, it's 44 across the chest, 7 across the arm. So I was like, eh. But I have got extra large. I was like, wicked. Send me the measurements for that. And if you've got it, I'll have it. 20 quid. £23.39 posted. It's just come through the post today. So I'll message that gentleman. Yeah, no signature required. Yep, I'll message that guy. Big thumbs up, excellent service, very happy with that. We'll go try the top on. I'm not going to show you that. What else? Oh, as this is a collecting channel, bear with. Popped in at the bric-a-brac store on the way to work. See my mate. Managed to sell a coin for him. It's Chinese token. Don't ask me, don't know anything about it. Picked them up on his house clearance rounds, and yeah, that went for £67 in the end, minus £9 fees, 4.5 quid postage. So he's looking at getting about 52 plus quid back. So he's happy. Anyway, popped in there, like I said, and had a little mooch round, and was given this. Monsters Inc. Sully. Yeah, not sure on what the size. Like I said, picked it up. It's gone in the car. It's come out of the car. I'm showing you. You know about as much as I do at this point. Saw this, which I believe I need. So this will go in the collection. This I may take this as payment. Market Man Mike, if you're watching. Also in the bin outside, PlayStation 1 controller. Looks fairly clean actually, so again, probably 6 to 10 quid on them. Plus post. Also picked up this, which is a UEFA Euros 2016 card album. Yeah, he's got loads of these. Wasn't sure. He knew that some of the cards can be worth money, obviously, people grading them, etc, etc. But yeah, literally hasn't got time. And then I found this round the back. It's a carry case for a Sega Game Gear. And it's dusty. Dusty as you fancy. Now, there's a power lead in there. Whether it's for this or not is another question. There's a James Pond 2 Robocod. Ironically, I was watching Robocop the other night. Sonic the Hedgehog. And Sonic the Hedgehog 2. So yeah. Now last one of these I had. Oh. And columns. Columns in the back. Oh, please don't be mouse poo. No, it's fluff. Battery compartments are nice and clean. So yeah, last one of these I had. Picked up from the mother-in-law's. I think it was the brother-in-law's, if I'm honest. Battery compartment's nice and clean. Didn't work. Apparently they suffer quite badly with the electronics. But yeah, other than the don't know what they are. Could be dead moths. Hold fire. I'll be back.